start.
Yeah, okay, thanks for having me. I think your company sounds really interesting. So, quickly about my background. I haven't been a consultant all my life. So my career, I've been maybe 1/3 of consultant and 2/3 an executive in various but it's various companies. But it's always been about international business, sales and marketing, and process efficiencies and strategy.